Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to completely remove WSL2 from your Windows computer. If you installed Linux on Windows using WSL like Ubuntu, Kali or Debian and now you want to delete it forever, no leftovers, this video is for you. We will do it safely, step by step in very simple words. Even if you are a total beginner, you can follow along. Before we start, this will delete all your Linux files, settings and everything inside WSL. If you have important files in your Linux distro, back them up first. Okay, let's jump in. First, we need to see what Linux versions you have installed. Press Windows key on your keyboard, type PowerShell and right click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if it asks for permission. Now in the blue window, type the command WSL -list -all. This will show you a list of all your WSL distros. For example, you might see Ubuntu or Debian or Kali Linux. Write them down or remember the name, we will need them. If nothing shows up or it says no distros, you can skip to step 4. Now we will delete each distro one by one. This removes the actual Linux system and all its files. There are two easy ways, I will show you both. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Click on apps. Here you have to search for your distro name like Ubuntu like this. Choose uninstall, click uninstall again to confirm. Do this for every Linux distro you see. Also look for Windows subsystem for Linux. If it is there, then also uninstall it. Now back in the PowerShell, for each distro name type WSL unregister unregister. Press enter after the command. Unregistering, the operation completed successfully. I have another one dash 24.04. I think it is, yes. Now your Linux systems are now gone. Now step 4 is, this is the most important part to fully disable WSL2. Press Windows key and type turn Windows features on or off. Open it. Scroll down, uncheck the Windows subsystem for Linux and the other is virtual machine platform. And then click OK. It will start a search and apply changes. This might take 1 to 2 minutes. When it asks, click restart now. Your PC will restart. After restart, WSL2 is disabled. I will restart the computer. After restarting the computer, make sure everything is really gone. Open PowerShell as an admin. Type WSL -list and press enter. If it says WSL command not found or error or this application requires the Windows subsystem for Linux optional component, then it is gone. If it still works, repeat step 4. Also check File Explorer. Open the File Explorer. Type in the address bar WSL $. If it is not open or if it says location not available, awesome, fully remove. One last thing, sometimes old files stay in a header folder. In the address bar, type percentage user profile and then again percentage /app data /local and then /packages. Okay, now you have to find here for the folder starting with canonical or for Ubuntu or Kali or Debian. I think I have to find it where it is or it is already gone. If you find any, right click and delete them. You might need admin permission. That's it. No more WSL2 on your Windows. Congratulations, you have completely removed WSL2 and all Linux stuff from your Windows PC. Your computer might feel a bit faster now and no more background virtual machine running. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials and hit the bell so you don't miss new videos. Comment below, why are you removing WSL? For gaming, for PC cleaning, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.